Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to add your Threads account to your Instagram. So first of all, you go to your Threads account. You can do this in two ways. The first way is to go to your Threads account. You click on Share Profile and then you click on Copy. This will help you to copy the link of your Threads account, and then you swipe and go to Instagram. Here, you click on Edit Profile, which is just below your profile picture. And then you click on Links, which says Add Links. You can add external link and paste. You write the title as Threads. After that, you click on Done, which is at the top right. And then your link will be added. You click on Done again at the top right, and then you scroll down and then you can see your thread links. The second way to do this is to click on Edit Profile and then you click on Show Threads Badge. After that, you click on Done and there you have it. It's just below your name on Instagram. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.